Hey everyone, today we're going to be learning a fun trapeze to tower trick that ends in a knot that we can pop out of. We're going to start in trapeze and make a circle shape with our throw hand, thumb, and pointer finger and grab the trapeze around it. And then we're going to insert our non-throw hand thumb to open up that triangle. The other view that we'll see has a better view of this, but we're going to rock the yo-yo from the bottom through that triangle. It should end up with a twist, like an upside-down triangle mount. So here's that circle shape around the trapeze. And then we're going to insert non-throw hand thumb to open up the triangle, swing the yo-yo through from the bottom, drop everything but that trapeze on the non-throw hand pointer. We're then going to insert our throw hand pointer finger into that upside-down triangle mount, and place our throw hand thumb down on the back furthest most string and go over that throw hand thumb like a Buddha's Revenge or a 1.5 mount. As you can see here, the throw hand thumb is going to go down on the furthest backmost string and then over the throw hand pointer. This will be important because we need that string on the thumb for this next portion. We're going to use our non-throw hand thumb and pick the string of the three furthest most on the yo-yo and pop the yo-yo out the front or up and down through the front. You can see that here from both angles. You can do either, it doesn't matter. One just has a little more flair. Now that string on your throw hand thumb, we are going to rock the yo-yo back onto or pop the yo-yo up and land it on top of that string like this. You can see it on that throw hand thumb, pop up or roll over. And then with our non-throw hand thumb, we're going to release that string and it'll reveal that tower, just like that. And from here, we are going to release the throw hand pointer, which is going to create a knot. Now all we're going to have to do is insert our non-throw hand thumb or whole hand like I do here and pop the yo-yo up and through. That'll get you out of the knot. You can see here the knot and how my non-throw hand is in the gap. Pop it through, and here's the trick, again smooth for you. Hope you guys enjoyed.